Hello everyone, today I will tell you that how you can convert your monthly observations in Stata to quarterly observations. So first of all, look at the sample data that is available to us. So we have the variable ID, then we have date variable, and after that we have three main variables y, x1 and x2. So if you will look at the date variable, we have monthly dates available. For example, the first observation we have 31st Jan 1995, 28th Feb 1995. So we have monthly dates available in this date variable. So first of all, in order to convert it to quarterly observations, we will run a command of generate q date. So we are generating a new variable named as q date, quarterly dates. So it will be this command generate q date is equal to QOFD into our date variable, our main date variable. Just click enter. So we have generated a new variable named as q date. Now we will change the format of this variable. So format q date into %tq. So now if you will look at your data, you can see we have a new variable q date in our data. So if you will look at the values, we will see that it is 1991 quarter 1. So after that 1991 quarter 1, after that 1991 quarter 1. Because why? Because in the date variable we have March 1995. That's why it is saying first quarter of 1995. In the fourth observation, if you will see, it's the April of 1995. It says in Q date 1995 Q2. So our dates are converted from monthly to quarterly. Now we can convert this data into quarterly observations. So for example, if you want to take the averages of these three variables and convert it into quarterly observations, how you want to say, like, it should take the average of three values of that quarter and convert it into quarterly observations. So what we will do, we will run a command collapse. Before running collapse, I want to show you the summary of data. We have around 178 observation in our sample. So when you will run the command collapse, COLLAP, collapse, now we want to collapse by mean. What you will do, collapse mean, then y, x1, x2. So we want to collapse these three variables. If you want to collapse these three variables by taking the sum, then you can just replace the mean by sum. So after that we place a comma by, then we will start the bracket again and we will say id and q date. So we want to keep the id and q date in their original form, so that's why we are adding it by id and q date, and we want to take the sum of y, x1 and x2 across their specific quarter, so that's why we are collapsing it by sum. So just press enter. Now your data is converted into quarterly observations. So if you will look at the summary now, you can see like that the number of observations which were 178 before, now we have 53. So what it has done, it has converted your monthly observations into quarterly observations. So if you will look at your data, you will see like now we have id, q date, y, x1, x2. We have those variables, but now we have quarterly dates available, and the number of observations have been decreased to 53, because when we will create quarters from months, it will decrease the observations. So that's how you can convert your data into quarterly data from monthly observations. So that's all for this video. If you have any question, just place it in the comment section. I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. You can also contact me through my email that I have shared with this video. So if you have any other problem or want video on a specific topic, just mention in the comment section. I will try to make that as soon as possible. Thank you.